Do you ever feel like you're doing everything right, eating what you think is healthy, but still feeling sluggish, achy, or just older than your years? It can be so frustrating, especially when you're trying your best to stay vibrant and active. What if I told you that a seemingly innocent part of your daily routine, your lunch, could actually be speeding up the aging process? Welcome back to Health Insight YT, where we empower you with simple, science-backed ways to live your healthiest life. Today, we're diving deep into something that impacts us all, what we put on our plates at midday. Many of us don't realize the powerful connection between our lunch choices and how our bodies age, both inside and out. But don't worry, we're not here to tell you to give up all your favorite foods. Instead, we'll uncover some surprising culprits and equip you with practical, delicious ways to make your lunch work for you, not against you. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have some simple adjustments that can truly make a difference in how you feel and how gracefully you age. If you find this information helpful, please like this video and share it with a friend or family member who might benefit. It's easy to think of lunch as just a quick meal to get us through the day, but its impact on our long-term health is huge. Certain foods, while convenient, can trigger inflammation, spike blood sugar, and even damage our cells, all contributing to faster aging. Let's talk about some common lunch pitfalls. First up, processed foods. Think instant soups, frozen meals, or prepackaged sandwiches. These are often loaded with unhealthy fats, sugar, and too much salt. These ingredients can lead to chronic inflammation, which is a major driver of aging and many age-related diseases. Next, consider refined carbohydrates. White bread, pasta, and sugary drinks cause rapid spikes in your blood sugar. Over time, these spikes can damage your blood vessels and organs, accelerating the aging process and increasing your risk for conditions like type 2 diabetes. Now, for some good news. You can absolutely turn your lunch into an anti-aging powerhouse. The key is to focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Think about building your lunch around lean proteins like grilled chicken, fish, or lentils. These provide the building blocks your body needs to repair and rejuvenate cells. Pair them with plenty of colorful vegetables. The more variety, the better. Veggies are packed with antioxidants, which fight off harmful molecules that contribute to aging. And don't forget healthy fats, like those found in avocados or olive oil. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation and keep your skin supple. Let's get specific with some simple, science-backed strategies for an anti-aging lunch. Embrace the power of plants. Aim to make half your plate colorful vegetables. Foods like spinach, broccoli, bell peppers, and berries are rich in antioxidants and vitamins. Studies have consistently shown that a diet high in fruits and vegetables is linked to a longer, healthier life. For example, a large study published in the Journal of Gerontology highlighted how consuming a variety of plant-based foods can significantly reduce the risk of age-related diseases. Opt for whole grains over refined. Swap out white bread for whole wheat options, and choose brown rice or quinoa instead of white rice. The fiber in whole grains helps regulate blood sugar and supports a healthy gut, which is crucial for overall health and longevity. Research from the American Journal of Nutrition supports the benefits of whole grains in reducing inflammation and improving metabolic health. Prioritize lean protein. Include sources like chicken breast, fish, especially fatty fish like salmon for omega-3s, beans, or lentils. Protein is vital for muscle maintenance, which naturally declines with age. A review in the journal Nutrients emphasizes the importance of adequate protein intake for older adults to prevent sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass. Add healthy fats. Include a small amount of healthy fats from sources like avocado, nuts, seeds, or olive oil. These healthy fats are essential for hormone production, nutrient absorption, and reducing inflammation. The New England Journal of Medicine has published extensive research on the cardiovascular benefits of diets rich in healthy fats, which indirectly support healthy aging. Instead of a sugary yogurt and a pre-made muffin, try a Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of nuts. Instead of a deli meat sandwich on white bread, pack a salad with grilled chicken and lots of vibrant veggies, dressed with olive oil and vinegar. These small changes add up. Think about how much more energy you'd have and how much better your body would feel over time. It's about nourishing your body, not just filling it. We want to hear from you. What's one healthy lunch swap you're excited to try this week? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. These suggestions are about making healthy food choices that are generally safe and beneficial for most individuals. Who should or shouldn't use? These dietary principles are suitable for most healthy adults, but if you have specific dietary restrictions, allergies, or chronic health conditions like kidney disease, diabetes, or heart disease, it's crucial to consult your doctor or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet. For example, individuals with kidney issues may need to monitor protein intake, and diabetics will need to carefully manage carbohydrate consumption. When or how to use? Incorporate these changes into your daily lunch routine. Start small if it feels overwhelming. Maybe swap out one unhealthy item each week until your lunch becomes a vibrant, nutrient-dense meal. The how is about being mindful of your food choices and preparing meals at home when possible, giving you control over ingredients. Safe general dosages, no claims. There are no dosages for whole foods as we're discussing general dietary principles. The idea is to aim for balanced meals rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains as part of a regular healthy eating pattern. For example, aiming for 2 to 3 servings of vegetables and 1 to 2 servings of lean protein at lunch is a good general guideline. Making small, mindful changes to your lunch can have a profound impact on your overall health and how gracefully you age. It's not about perfection, but about progress. Every healthy choice is a step towards a more vibrant, energetic you. You have the power to fuel your body in a way that supports longevity and well-being. Subscribe to Health Insight YT and hit the bell for more senior wellness tips that empower you to live your best life. Disclaimer: for informational purposes only, consult your doctor before making changes.